EnglightenPro. Learn faster. Speak like a pro.
Emergency call. Reporting a suspicious person.
911. What is the address of your emergency?
Hello? I am at 742 Evergreen Terrace.
Okay, 742 Evergreen Terrace. Tell me exactly what is happening.
I am looking out my window. There is a man I don't know at my neighbor's house. He is trying to open their front door.
Is he still there right now?
Yes, he is wearing a black hoodie and blue jeans. Now he is walking to the back of the house.
Okay, I am starting a police report. What is your name?
My name is Sarah Miller.
Sarah, are your doors locked? Are you safe?
Yes, my doors are locked. I am inside my house.
Good. Stay inside. Do not go outside to talk to him. Are there any weapons?
I don't see any weapons, but he has a large backpack.
Understood. I have officers on the way. They should be there in 2 minutes. Stay on the phone with me until they arrive.
Okay, wait. I see a police car coming down the street now.
Excellent. The officers are arriving. You can talk to them when they knock on your door.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Sarah. You can hang up now. Goodbye.
Emergency call. Reporting a car accident.
Emergency services. Which service do you require? Police, fire, or ambulance?
Ambulance, please. It's an emergency.
Connecting you now. Hold the line.
Ambulance service. Tell me exactly what has happened. Hello? There is a car accident on High Street near the supermarket. A car hit a person on a bicycle. Okay, what is the exact location? It is 54 High Street, right in front of Greengrocers. I am sending an ambulance now. Stay on the line. How many people are hurt? Just one person, the cyclist. Is the person awake? No, he is lying on the ground. He is not moving, but he is breathing. Okay, what is your name and the phone number you are calling from? My name is Elena Rossi. My number is 0771-999-888. Thank you, Elena. Do not move the person unless it is dangerous. The ambulance will be there in 4 minutes. Okay, I will stay here with him. You are doing a great job. Stay on the line until the paramedics arrive. I see the ambulance now. They are here. Excellent. You can hang up now. Thank you. Goodbye. Booking for a larger car for a family. Hello, City Cabs. How can I help you?
Hi. I need a large taxi for 5 people, please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Robert Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Where are you going?
To the National Museum.
And what is your current pickup address?
I'm at the Grand Hotel on 42nd Street.
Okay. A minivan is on its way to your location. It will arrive in 10 minutes.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Reporting a lost item.
City Taxis, this is Kevin. How can I help you?
Hello, Kevin. I think I left my blue backpack in a taxi an hour ago.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you remember the car number or the driver's name?
No, I don't. But I traveled from the airport to the Grand Hotel at 2 p.m.
Okay, I have that in the system. Let me check with the drivers on that route. What is your name and phone number?
My name is Alice, and my number is 0770-123-456.
Thank you, Alice. I will call you as soon as we find it.
Thank you so much. I'll wait for your call. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Making a dentist appointment. Hello, Bright Smiles Dental. This is Anna speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Anna. My name's Mark Smith. I'd like to make an appointment for a checkup, please.
Of course, Mr. Smith. Are you free this Tuesday morning?
Let me check my calendar. Yes, Tuesday is fine. What time?
How about 10 a.m.?
That works for me.
Great. We will see you on Tuesday at 10.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Ordering food.
Pizza Palace. This is Tony. Is this for pickup or delivery?
Delivery, please.
Okay. What can I get for you today?
Can I have one large pepperoni pizza and a bottle of water?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
What is your address and your name?
It's 12 Blue Street, apartment 4B. My name is Lisa.
Okay, Lisa. That's $22. It will be there in 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks, Tony.
Thank you. Bye.
Calling in sick.
Hello, this is Mr. Miller speaking.
Hi, Mr. Miller. This is Emily. I'm afraid I can't come to work today.
Oh dear, is everything okay, Emily?
I have a bad cold and a fever. I think I need to stay in bed and rest.
I understand. Don't worry about work. Get some rest and feel better soon.
Thank you. I'll call you tomorrow morning to give you an update.
Sounds good. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Booking a hotel room. Green Valley Hotel. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to book a double room for 2 nights, please.
Certainly. For which dates?
For Friday, June 12th and Saturday, June 13th.
Let me check. Yes, we have a room available. It is $90 per night.
That's perfect. Please book it for me. My name is David Jones.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. I have your reservation. You will receive a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We look forward to seeing you. Returning a call. Hello?
Hi, Sarah. It's Tom. I'm returning your call. I saw I had a missed call from you an hour ago.
Oh, hi, Tom. Thanks for calling back. Yes, I called to ask about the homework for our English class.
Ah, okay. The teacher said we have to read pages 20 to 25 in the workbook.
Pages 20 to 25. Got it. Is there any writing to do?
Nope, just reading.
Thanks, Tom. You're a lifesaver. See you in class.
No problem. See ya. Bye.
Checking a train time. Hello, railway information. How can I help you today?
Hi, could you tell me when the next train to London leaves, please?
Let's see. The next one is at 2:15 p.m. from platform 4.
Is it a direct train or do I need to change?
It's not direct. You have to change trains at Oxford.
I see. And what time does it arrive in London?
It arrives at 4:30 p.m.
Okay, thank you very much for the information.
My pleasure. Have a safe trip. Inviting a neighbor for coffee.
Hello, Mrs. Higgins. This is Paul from next door.
Oh, hi, Paul. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. I'm making some fresh coffee and some cake. Would you like to come over for a cup?
That sounds lovely. I'm a bit busy with cleaning now, though. Can I come in half an hour?
Of course, no rush. See you at 11.
Great. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Asking for information. Museum. City History Museum. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm planning a visit. What time do you close today?
We are open until 6 p.m. today.
And how much is a ticket for a student?
It's $5, but please bring your student ID.
Great. Do I need to book a ticket online?
No, you can buy it at the door.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Technical problems. Bad connection.
Hi, Maria. It's Leo. Can you hear me?
Hi, Leo. You're breaking up. Their signal is very bad.
Is this better? I'm standing near a window now.
No, I still can't hear you well. Your voice is disappearing.
Let me try calling you back on the landline.
Good idea. I'll wait for your call.
Okay, speak to you in a minute.
Talk soon. Bye.
Leaving a message.
Hello, HR department. How can I help you?
Hello, this is John Peters. Can I speak to Mr. Brown, please?
I'm sorry, Mr. Peters. He's in a meeting right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Tell him John called about the new contract. Ask him to call me back at my office number.
Certainly. I'll give him the message as soon as he is finished.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Wrong number.
Hello?
Hi, is Alice there?
I'm sorry, there is no one here named Alice. I think you have the wrong number.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is this 555-0199?
No, it's 555-0198.
I see. I am so sorry to disturb you. Have a nice day.
No problem at all. It happens. Bye.
Bye.
Calling a friend to meet up.
Hey, Sarah, it's Sam. How are you?
Hi, Sam. I'm good, thanks. What's up?
Do you want to go to the cinema tonight?
I'd love to. What's playing?
The new superhero movie starts at 7 p.m.
Perfect. Should we meet outside the cinema at 6:45?
Sounds good. I'll buy the tickets online now.
Great. See you then.
See ya.